Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, Samsung's new upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra parts production begins, and we have good and bad news. According to the latest news, the Samsung Galaxy S25 family to reduce the costs in display technology, Samsung's new plans leaked online. The good news is that prices may not increase much. And the bad news is that Samsung is using old display technologies. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung is now rumored to be saving some money on the displays for its upcoming Galaxy S25 series. Expected to arrive in January with three members: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. In order to save money, the company will reportedly go with Samsung's M13 organic materials for their displays. According to industry sources on the 24th, Samsung Electronics and Samsung Display are preparing OLED panels for the Galaxy S25 with organic materials called M13. An industry insider said, Samsung Display has started taking orders for Galaxy S25 OLED materials and parts and has entered production preparations. Google's Pixel 9 Pro and the Apple iPhone 16 Pro already use panels with M14 materials, and they're also made by Samsung Display. But Samsung Electronics will allegedly go with the older and cheaper option to make some extra cash. Be assured that the savings won't be passed down to the buyers. If you've been wondering what M14 materials bring to the table compared to M13, it's apparently 20 to 30% higher efficiency and a 10 to 20% longer lifespan. If we merely compare numbers, there also seems to be a slightly higher peak brightness. This rumor started in Korea, but has also been confirmed by Ross Young of Display Supply Chain Consultants, a generally reliable source of supply chain related information for smartphones. Samsung Display will supply organic light-emitting diode panels, using the M13 organic material set for Samsung Electronics' flagship smartphone, Galaxy S25 series, to be released early next year. Industry, including Apple, is showing a tendency to apply new panels every 2 years, rather than developing new panels every year. This is interpreted as the result of factors such as high performance of panels and saturation of the smartphone market. All this being said, keep in mind that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will undoubtedly keep using the Gorilla Glass armor that was introduced by its predecessor, which significantly cuts down on the screen's reflectivity. This means less brightness will go a long way since it doesn't need to fight reflections. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.